What them a go do ya now? New link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. New link.
Bless up, viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss. They are New Link from New Link Production. So viewers and subscribers, it was come to my attention yesterday, people, about a thing that they say happened in Portmore. And it is where they found two body and Dyke Road people wrapped up in a plastic. You understand? In the end, I saw this article and I said, John, two body found in a Portmore, New Link. What could they be behind this? And when I checked the age of these young men, people, they were young men, age 26 and age 18. I said, Jaja, there is something more to this, And attacking boss just go wait before me even launch the attack and send out it. Well, viewers and subscribers, first of all, you what the attacking boss gonna do? Me gonna read this article, you understand, about this incident, and then attacking boss drop the attack and go into the update when me get panic because Jaja see and Jaja knows. So here the article goes, people. Two bodies found along Dyke Road, Portmore. The bodies of two men were found along Dyke Road, Portmore, St. Catherine on Saturday. The deceased have been identified as Kibuki Semet, 18-year-old from Lower Mall Road, Kingston, and Husoni Tenant, a 26-year-old resident of a Kingston 11 address. Reports are that about 7:30 a.m., a group of persons stumbled on the bodies while traveling along the road and alerted the police. A team of officers arrived at the area, and during a search, the bodies were found in bags. Police say they are yet to establish a motive for the killing. Sources suggest that the bodies may have been dumped in the area. Jaja sees and Jaja knows. Well, viewers and subscribers, the two pictures that you have seen, people, those are the two men, age 18 and age 26. And when New Link do some research, people, and some information come to New Link, it is alleged, people, that one of these men was a very deadly contract killer, and he was taken out by another contract killer. Jaja says, Jaja knows, not cheer New Link. Well, people, you hear what me say? It is alleged that one of these men is a contract killer, and he was taken out by another contract killer. And if so be the case where man are gonna be bad man, people, and he was taken out by another bad man, then a celebration. And from recent days in Jamaica and across our beautiful island, people, most of these killings that we see are go on, say a bad man a take out bad man. Because in the process, people, connection are going with bad man and bad man, people, and things are go the other way when other bad man know say things are go the other way. And when them go try make a move that the way there, well, man a corner them that the way there. See? Age 26, age 18. These man not live no life, people. Young youth them, but what? Because them not listen, because them not hear, because them feel say, yo, a badness me I go choose, and when me get a cut, people either go get bust out, people either go get burst out, a base slap where I go on. Well, look, when them a pray for people, another bad man a pray for get rid of them. But process people, other bad man who get rid of them, have another bad man a come for me, and the other bad man, have another bad man a come for me, are the soldiers, are the police, can be all the way. Viewers and subscribers, in Jamaica right now, to get a pie is so easy. You understand? I'm telling you that already, people. Getting a pie is like getting a $2 and go to Mass John or Mass Peter around at the shop around there, and to sell me two sweetie. That's how easy it is now. You understand? Because they are flooded across the island. And why they are so much across the island, people? Corruption. We all know about these corruption, people. We all know about these politicians, what we got, who trick they get to you them, who cannot they get to you them, and come say boom, and give them the source of getting these pie and what? Make them turn it upon them brothers and sisters. It a go on, people. It a go on. And only the fittest of the fittest shall survive. You understand? Buju may say that, in a video we do the other day pertaining to the COVID, but on a natural cause with crime and violence across Jamaica, people, only the fittest of the fittest shall survive. When I look into these things, because number one, the youth them not learn, the youth them not think, the youth them want live the hype life, them want live some rock star life, like them a entertainer or them a some superstar. You understand? Nowadays, people, before when I was younger, you would have pushed to get just you know what I mean? A bicycle. Of course, me that push to get a bicycle. If me see my virgin up beside a bicycle frame, me I go link him and try to get the bicycle frame there. Buy 2 tires. I say it already, people. You know what I mean? These are things that we talk about all the time. Buy 2 seat and put on it and make a move. These youth nowadays, people, are then, if you not pre the bicycle, I go pre to get a little bike. You know what I mean? Where we call it a little 50 them. We not talk about a yang something. Them time that we are talking about some 50 and it's only few man one of them things there. Then, if a man can come to some people and him get a ladder, or if you step up him get a little Corolla, or him get a little Starlet and him try to set up him car and fix up him car. Nowadays, people, every man a go harder, every man a go bigger, every man want to jump in our fat Mark X, fat Crown, then them a go some BMW, them a go some Benz, because what? Them a listen to this music, them a listen to these artists who are telling them about this hype life and this high grade life, and it a push enough for them youth to do things. Look here, uno can't watch the artists them, uno can't listen to some of these artists them, because if uno they run them artists and so when them a come some boom and God, they carry mark them every month and I go make them payment. You understand? You see them a drive these Benz, these BMW, and I can tell you this and guarantee, lot of them, they don't buy these things cash. They keep on continually paying for these things. So you can't watch them and listen to what them say, because we know these people. Music is very influential. You understand? And to a lot of people, them tell you and them sing and say, yo, a tight pants are wear. Them sing and tell us, say, yo, a bleach out face are wear. You understand? Some man a sing and a tell man to go bore nose and bore tongue. And see there, a lot of man a do it. You understand? When she bore the tongue and bore the nose thing, attack for that. Me not support it on a real level, because certain things man not go. But me I tell the people, oh, the music is very influential to a lot of these young generations here come up. So the man tell us, yo, a boy violate around, they say, you know, you understand, and me I go get me piece and me I go slap him out. Oh, you mean? I said enough of them money I pray people. And that's why I said the other day, me don't know them money I smoke, me don't know them money I think. But some of them, they not smoke nothing, they not drink nothing, they might listen. You understand? They must say, wow, go on out there. You understand? And a lot of the lamp pile them people, the lamp pile them draw these man for do things. Because enough of them lamp pile I say, no, when the man then comes to one and say, yo, you know, some like a girl, I'm going to give the girl a talk. You hear the girl I go say, oh, me no want you. A hot boy, me want a gangster, me want tuggy. You understand? Me no want a boy drive no old car. Me want boy wear B clocks and I change the clocks them and the teams them. You understand? And I push one fat Mark X or one fat BMW or one fat Benz. And them they sit them here pray. Before people or females in Jamaica, you understand, when I was younger, once you have a car drive, me I tell you these people, it could be a Lada, it could be a Corolla, Starlet, anything. You're full of girl. Nowadays people, girls at Jamaica, because to me tell you the things set with corruption, you have it a come down from robbing people, thieving people, scamming people, you understand, doing several different things that money are coming in people, you understand, man comes about, man a hustle them thing and a sell off them thing and them something people, see, so these girls nowadays are gravitate to the higher lifestyle people, and them are gravitate to the higher grade man them, and that's enough of them lamp pile, even I get dash here, which we are say RIP to them, because I now wish nobody for dash in a lamp pile, you understand, but me I tell you people, how these things are make crime and violence increased in Jamaica. And I saw them youth and I learn. And I saw these young youth keep on and destroy them life, mess up them life. And I see the 1826 gone, slap way like a dog, wrapped in a plastic, dash in a Portmore. Check out the facts, people. These men, where them come from? Kingston, both of them, what them say people, one of them is a contract killer. So who to tell you now, they hire this man from comes a boom. We from Kingston now, go over Portmore, go carry out a hit people. Like in at the end, other man curl him, other man can him up. You understand? It can't even be the same way you know where. The same man who hire him people, get man can him, because maybe commit to him a commit already, you know. You understand? And maybe he get a cut, and if he get a next cut, you know, get the cutted people. And the man then just come say, no, we'll finish him in that boy and I get nothing. It can't be that way to people. Zine, it can't. So, all me can tell the people, these youth you know, done a yard, then just nah learn, them just not think, and it just sad to see people how these youth just dash them life. But all I can tell you, youth of Jamaica, if we not decide what we want and to make a change in our life, Zine, as me tell you already, you know, these are the same when New Link have. You have two roads to choose. You have good and you have bad. Choose the good one. You may live longer, because there's other things out there where can get you out. But choose the bad one, I can guarantee and tell you that. You have no time of living long. Remember the attacking boss tell you that. So decide what you want in your life. If you be a gangster, you don't have to get up, get the pie killing off people. Learn the methods. But other attack will come when the attacking boss, we give you the methods. Viewers and subscribers, enough love, enough respect. Be good and be great and be safe out there, people. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe now and hit that notification bell. So as the Attacking Boss drop a video, you will get them. You understand? Follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, and on Twitter, New Link Production, official people. And remember, on our Instagram, that's where we post several videos, people. You understand? Some video where we see some crazy things. You understand what we can post on YouTube. So make sure you follow Instagram. Yeah, and we love all the people that follow the Instagram. So big up on yourself all over the Caribbean, all over the world. Attacking Boss, that man. Peace, love, respect. Be good and be great and be safe out there. Attack.